Klover is a finance app that promises to help you manage your money and grow your savings. But before you make the decision to download, there are a few things you need to know. We'll break down what sets Klover apart from competitors like Mint and YNAB, so you can decide if it's the right tool for you. First, Klover offers instant access to cash, thanks to its credit builder feature. This allows you to get a portion of your paycheck early. While this may seem like a great feature, be cautious about relying too much on it, as it can lead to overspending. Apps like Chime also offer similar services, but with more emphasis on savings. Next, Klover is built to be user-friendly, with a sleek, intuitive interface that makes budgeting simple. It's easy to set up, and the app integrates seamlessly with your bank accounts and credit cards. However, when compared to competitors like Mint, which offers more detailed financial insights, Klover's features are still fairly basic. If you're someone who wants a deep dive into spending trends and budget breakdowns, this may not be the app for you. The third thing you should know is Klover's ability to track your subscriptions. It scans your bank statements and helps you identify recurring charges, which is a great feature to help eliminate unwanted expenses. But keep in mind that other apps like Truebill offer more comprehensive tools for subscription tracking, including automatic cancellation of unwanted subscriptions. Moving on to the fourth thing, Klover offers a unique feature called Earned Wage Access, which lets you withdraw earned money before your payday. While it's a useful tool for emergency expenses, it's important to note that other financial apps may offer similar benefits without the high fees Klover charges for this service. The fifth thing to consider is Klover's credit building aspect. The app can help you build your credit score by reporting your transactions to credit bureaus. While this sounds like a great perk, other credit building apps like Self offer a more structured approach, making Klover's offering a bit limited in comparison. Next, Klover doesn't charge monthly fees, which is a major plus, but it does charge fees for certain features like instant transfers and cash advances. So if you're not careful, those small fees can add up over time. The seventh thing to know is that Klover doesn't offer the same level of customer support that other apps like Mint or YNAB provide. You might find yourself waiting a bit longer for assistance, which could be frustrating if you need immediate help with your finances. Next, Klover provides an easy way to track your spending, but it lacks the comprehensive budgeting features of other apps. For example, YNAB allows you to create specific categories for every dollar you spend, whereas Klover's budgeting tools are more generalized. This could be a deal breaker if you're someone who wants fine-tuned control over your budget. The ninth thing you should be aware of is the limited investment options available through Klover. While it does offer a way to save and earn interest, the app doesn't allow for the type of diverse portfolio management that competitors like Acorns or Robinhood provide. If you're serious about investing, you might want to look elsewhere. Moving on to the 10th thing, Klover is a great app if you're just looking to manage your day-to-day expenses. But if you want to build long-term wealth, it doesn't offer the comprehensive financial planning tools that other apps like Personal Capital can provide. The 11th point is the rewards program. Klover offers cashback rewards for certain purchases, but the rewards are minimal compared to those offered by apps like Rakuten or credit card providers. If you're hoping to rack up significant cashback rewards, this may not be the app for you. Finally, Klover provides a simple, straightforward solution for those who want a quick way to manage their money. It's easy to use, but it's not the most feature-rich option available. Apps like Mint or YNAB give you much more control and insights into your financial health, which may be a better fit for someone who wants to take a more detailed approach to managing their money. All in all, Klover is a solid choice if you need an easy way to track your spending and access your earnings before payday. However, if you're looking for a more comprehensive financial app with better budgeting, investment, and financial planning tools, we recommend checking out our suggested solution that you can try for free.